This is our eggplant, and at the moment it seems like we're having probably birds coming to eat the little eggplant. And a cheap and easy solution we found is just get those bags from your shopping. When you go and do your shopping, they put your onions, tomatoes and all that in there. I cut them in half and I just protect the eggplants. As you can see, all the ones that we've done now has grown to a good size. Hopefully it's going to be big ones. But we've had to do that because otherwise something comes and just eat them. And I'm pretty sure it's birds because possum I don't think can get that high. Hope this is useful and please subscribe to our videos. Thank you.